Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. This is the inside of a refrigerator. Specifically, this is a KitchenAid. And whether or not you have a KitchenAid or a Whirlpool, Maytag, Jenn-Air, etc., your refrigerator actually may look just like this inside. But this particular one has an issue, and it's related to these crisper drawers. As you can see here, they don't actually secure very well, and it's because of a center rail here that sort of divides them. I'm not sure if you can see it. Here, let me lift up this glass real quick. There you go. This center rail right here is broken and barely holds on. And so we're going to replace that today. So to show you the issue, I'm just going to remove one of these crisper drawers here. And the other one, and if you might see, the center rail barely holds on. Actually, it fell off. And the reason is there's a little part here that cracked and fell off. It originally kind of looked like this. Also, there's a little part, it's a little messy here, but there's a little part here that actually fell off. And so this really needs to be replaced. And so I did go ahead and purchase a new replacement. As you can see here, this one actually is a Whirlpool company. And here's the model number right here for this part. I'll put that in the description. But let's go ahead and open this up. And you can see this is the new part. And let's see if we can match them a little bit. And you can see the difference. You can see this little part here is actually right here. And then this end right here actually should be sticking out like that. Okay, so how do we replace the center rail? Well, first you want to take out the crisper drawers, and then you want to lift up this glass and very carefully remove it. It can break. And so if this was originally still in place, what you would do would be you just kind of grab it snugly like this and kind of pull out on this front bar a little bit until it sort of releases and lifts up just like that. You don't have to do much. This lip right here barely enters here. So it's just really a little bit of pressure. And replace it with the new one. You want to look at both sides, and you can see kind of where the drawers fit in on this side. But on the back side, you'll also see this little tiny nub here. And so that represents the back. You do not see that in the front. And so to replace it, you just want to kind of stick it in at the end like that with this little nub right like that, and then it kind of rests like this, but you want to apply a little pressure, not too much, you don't want to break it, just so it kind of goes over this little edge here, and there it fell down, and there you go, it's in place and nice and secure. And then just go ahead and replace the glass, and then fit the two drawers in. Now, both drawers are nice and secure. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.